Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to switch or swap two columns in Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet. I'll switch this column and I'll put this before this column, C columns, and select. Now click edit option and here you will find this move option, move left and see this. Already go. And I'll switch this column before this B column. Click and select. Now you can drag it and see this. You can choose two columns, drag your mouse, select two columns and move this and see this. In this way you can choose multiple columns, two columns and single columns. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.